Long before guns and bombs, humans created weapons so terrifying that entire armies would tremble at the sight of them. Today, we re-diving into the most terrifying weapons of the ancient world. Tools of war that could change history with a single strike. First up, Greek fire, the ancient world's version of napalm. Used by the Byzantine Empire, this mysterious substance could burn even on water. Enemies thought it was magic, but in reality, it was a deadly chemical weapon that turned naval battles into floating infernos. The scythed chariot. Imagine a chariot equipped with long, razor-sharp blades, tearing through enemy lines at terrifying speed. Used by Persian armies, these machines weren't just weapons. They were instruments of psychological terror, scattering foot soldiers in panic. Next, the trebuchet, the medieval superweapon before artillery existed. Catapults could hurl massive stones, diseased carcasses, or even severed heads over castle walls. The combination of brute force and gruesome psychological warfare made it one of the most feared siege engines in history. The ballista was like a giant crossbow on steroids. Roman armies used it to fire enormous bolts with deadly accuracy. One well-aimed shot could pierce armor or collapse a gate, making this weapon both terrifying and highly effective in battlefield domination. And sometimes it wasn't size, but precision that inspired fear. The atlatl, a spear-throwing tool used by prehistoric humans, could launch javelins hundreds of feet with lethal speed. Ancient hunters and warriors relied on it to dominate both prey and enemies alike. From burning seas to slicing chariots, these ancient weapons remind us that ingenuity and fear have always gone hand in hand. Which weapon would you least want facing you on the battlefield? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more dark history.